What's up guys, this is Microsoft Engineer Khaled, and today we will make a program using Python to identify that either your number is positive or negative. So first of all, I will open Google Chrome. So I'm using Google Colab because it is easy to use and it works perfectly. So first of all, I will write number equals to integer bracket input bracket inverted commas enter a number. Now, if number is smaller than 0, print bracket your number is negative, which makes sense. Else print bracket inverted commas your number is positive. Now you have to press shift plus enter to run and debug the code. So it says that enter a number. So I will write like positive 12. So it will identify and say that your number is positive. But if I say negative 32 and then press enter, that will say your number is negative. So this is how you can create a program using Python to identify that your number is either negative or positive. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. See you soon.